Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Sierra and I'm back with another shower routine. This one is coconut scented and it leaves you with the softest skin and the best smell. So let's just get right into it. So I'm starting off by using this Baby Dove Sensitive Skin Wash. I use this as a feminine wash because it's fragrance free and all that. I'm jumping straight into body wash today. I'm using the OGX Coconut Miracle Oil scent. I'm using this on a washcloth, and the reason why I'm not using Dr. Bronner's or anything like that beforehand is because I'm taking the shower in the morning. I already took a really extensive shower the night before and I never want to overstrip my skin. So I'm already clean from that shower. I'm basically just doing this to refresh myself. This body wash makes my skin so soft. It gives such a nice, creamy, rich lather. OGX seriously makes some of the best body washes, especially that coffee one. It's amazing. And I'm getting in between my toes, I got behind my ears and my belly button, and I prefer to use washcloths over loofahs. They give me a better clean and they hold less bacteria, they're more sanitary. So if you're not using a washcloth, you definitely need to get some. So I'm rinsing all of that off and then I'm using my body scrub before I shave. I'm using this Tree Hut Shave Prep Shave Scrub and it's a coconut and lime scent. Found this at TJ Maxx. I've never seen this anywhere else. So if you see it there, I definitely recommend picking it up. It smells amazing. It gives you the softest skin ever. It's super abrasive, so it helps to loosen that hair from the follicle, prevent ingrowns, and then also get rid of dead skin before you go over with a razor. Always want to exfoliate before you shave. I actually recommend exfoliating after you shave too, just to really make sure you're not going to get any ingrown hairs. And while I'm still scrubbing, I'm using this Spongeable's foot scrub sponge on my feet. And this was cute, like I don't think I'd buy it again. I give it a 7 out of 10 just because it wasn't as abrasive as I wanted it to be, but my feet did feel soft and it had this really nice fruity smell to it. To shave, I'm using this Tree Hut Moisturizing Shave Oil. This is also coconut lime scented, and I really like using oils to shave more than creams. They just make the razor glide better and they leave my skin super soft. I like to use this shave oil, baby oil, coconut oil. It's seriously a game changer. And this shave oil in particular smells like snow cone syrup. It's so good. And this came with the scrub that I used earlier. They came in a little set that I got from TJ Maxx. I get a lot of my hygiene stuff from there just because they always have the deals. And I'm going over my skin a bunch of times just because I'm one of those people that hates having hair on their body. Like, it just does something to me. I hate feeling hair. So I make sure every single inch of my body has had the razor go over it just because I like to have really smooth skin all the time. I'm also going to shave my underarms. I'm doing the same steps that I used before. I go in with the shave scrub and then I use the oil. I make sure I'm all rinsed off and then I hop out and move on to the rest of my body care. Using this Dove Restoring Rituals deodorant. This is the coconut and jasmine scent. This is their spray-on antiperspirant, which I really like. And then I'm using the OGX Coconut Miracle Oil Lotion. This lotion matches the body wash that I used earlier, and I really recommend using matching sets when it comes to your body products, just to make the fragrance stronger, and it also takes the guesswork out of having to find a similar smelling product. On top of that, I'm using my Oil Sleek coconut oil from Pink. This gives you such a nice radiant glow to your skin. I love using this in the summer especially. Moving on to fragrance, I'm just using a little body mist today. I picked the Victoria's Secret Bali Coconut Palm. This is a really nice coconut pineapple pina colada moment. And that's it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in my next video.